Things to note for needn't. Let's have a look at what we need to note for this particular grammar. Needn't is a modal verb. The other common form of need acts as a normal verb. Notice the difference. I need to go to work today. This is a normal verb. It acts as the main verb in the sentence. Similarly, I don't need to go to work today. This is also a normal verb. Don't need is the main verb in the sentence. However, the last example, I needn't go to work today, this is a modal verb. Needn't is a modal verb. Go is the main verb of the sentence. So that's just something for you to remember, just to highlight that this is actually a modal verb. It's not a main verb of the sentence. It's a modal verb. Now move on to the speaking and listening practice exercises. I'll see you there.